The perception of attractiveness is subjective and can vary from person to person. However, there are a few reasons why people might appear sexier when wearing sunglasses. Mystery and intrigue. Sunglasses can create a sense of mystery by partially obscuring the eyes, which are often considered the windows to the soul. When someone's eyes are hidden, it can spark curiosity and intrigue, making them appear more alluring. Confidence and charisma. Wearing sunglasses can enhance a person's confidence and charisma. They can provide a sense of protection and anonymity, allowing individuals to feel more at ease and self-assured. Confidence is often considered attractive, and sunglasses can contribute to projecting that image. Fashion statement. Sunglasses are often associated with a fashionable and stylish image. When people wear trendy or high-quality sunglasses, it can elevate their overall appearance, making them appear more attractive and put together. Facial symmetry. Sunglasses can help to balance and enhance the symmetry of a person's face. Symmetrical faces are often considered more appealing and attractive. Body language. Sunglasses can affect a person's body language. They can create an air of nonchalance or mystery, which can be perceived as attractive. Additionally, sunglasses can draw attention to other facial features, such as cheekbones or lips, which may be considered attractive. It's important to note that the perception of attractiveness is subjective and influenced by personal preferences, cultural norms, and individual tastes. While sunglasses can enhance someone's appearance to some, it may not necessarily apply universally.